How do we apply paint protection film here at Just Car Care? Follow along to see how we apply the Front End PPF to this McLaren 650S. Hi everyone, it's Connor from Just Car Care, and today we've got this McLaren 650S in with us to receive our Front End PPF package. That includes Gyeon Enhanced PPF applied to the bonnet, bumper, wings, headlights and wing mirrors. After that, we're going to be machine polishing the rest of the car to increase the overall gloss and clarity, and then protecting it all with our certified only Gyeon Pro Evo. Finally, we're going to be cleaning the interior just so it's nice and fresh on the inside as well as the out. But before we get started, we need to get this thing prepped. Now that the car's all prepped and it's on the ramp, it's time to remove the wheels and apply some PPF. But what is PPF? Well, PPF is a clear vinyl film that we apply directly to the paintwork in order to give it protection from scratching, swirl marking and stone chipping. Now you get a stone chip in the PPF, it doesn't look great and you don't like it. We can remove the PPF from the paintwork to reveal a nice clean paint underneath and then reapply it. Not only that, but our PPF has a built-in ceramic coating, giving self-cleaning properties to the vehicle due to its hydrophobicity, meaning your car stays cleaner for longer. So that's the McLaren 650S now wearing Gyeon Enhanced PPF to the front end. We've machine polished the rest of the car just to increase the gloss and applied some Gyeon ceramic coatings to protect it all. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, drop us a like, a comment and subscribe. Other than that, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.